Hello everyone, here we are going to cut this fruit, cut thin slices from the top. You can see how we are going to remove the top of it with thin slices. Now cut it into half and then we're going to slide each slice and make a design like this. Further, we're going to cut the rest of the fruit and then we're going to carve small designs from the top. You can see how we are peeling the top of the fruit, the yellow portion, and create this design. Now we're going to make the eyes as well. You can take seeds and place it at the center. After doing that, you can take cucumber for the green part and make the antennas. As you can see, we're going to place it on the top and it is done. Here we're going to make a beautiful fruit art. For that, we're taking this apple, cut thin slices, and using toothpick, we're going to place those slices on each side. Take another apple and then we're going to cut thin slice and cut small slices as well. You can see the triangular shapes. Keep it aside and then we're going to take the fruit and put those slices inside. Now we're going to make the eyes of the owl as well. Place the head on the top of it and look, it's done. Next, you can take a cucumber in place of this and then we're going to remove it like this. You can use any tool like this and sharp it. Now we're going to place this owl on the top of the plate. Decorate it further. You can also remove these balls from the fruit and then we can also use different fruits like cherries and grapes and look, it is done. Here we're going to cut the cucumber from the front and then we're going to put two eyes. You can see it, any black color of seed for that. After doing that, we're going to cut it further. Now take another slice and then we're going to keep cutting it. Look, you can measure it. If it is not fitting, you can carve the rest. Now we're going to make the legs here. You can see how we are going to take a thin knife and cut very sharply from the corners. This is a frog. Let's make the front legs as well. You can see how we're going to carve all the details and look how we are going to cut all of them, measure it properly and place it like we're doing here in this video. This way you can make so many other animals as well. Now we're going to scoop out the fruit and make balls. Decorate it further. You can place these balls on the top of the plate. You can also make some grass and look how beautiful this plating is looking. As you can see, we're going to cut this fruit, remove two slices from the side. These are big slices. Now we're going to carve this design on the side. After doing that, we're going to scoop out the fruit. Look how we are removing the balls and then we're going to keep it back. This is looking like a bowl now. Keep all the balls back along with some more fruits like some grapes or you can also use cherries. Now we're going to make the butterfly shape using this carrot. You can see how we're going to cut the carrot. Now we're going to further make the design on the outside. As you can see, we're going to cut very thin slices. Cut two slices of them. Don't cut it fully. Make sure there is a joining at the center. Now we're going to separate them and look how pretty these are looking. You can make more such butterflies. Place it on the top and look how wonderful these are looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.